Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Kundan, and I hope you all are well also today. Friends, today we'll discuss about need of hospital in village and lack of doctor in village hospital, and about equipments of village hospital. So today we'll discuss about everything of village hospital. So let's start. Friends, the majority of the peoples of our country live in village, and the progress of our country depend on the improvement of our living condition of the village. And our village have been neglected from long time. And you also know about Indian village. Friends, the Indian village is palace of infantilization, poverty, and diseases. There is no good roads and lanes. They are dirty, and there are no proper arrangement of drains. भारत में कई ऐसे स्थान हैं जहाँ पे गरीबी, गंदगी और बीमारी है। लोग साफ सुथरे नहीं रहते। वहाँ की गांव एवं गलियाँ साफ सुथरा नहीं होती है। यहाँ तक नालियों के समुचित व्यवस्था नहीं होते हैं। And they keep their cattle in the same house which they live. वे अपने मवेशियों को वहीं रखते हैं जहाँ वो रहते हैं। And majority of the peoples live in dirty palace. और बहुत सारे लोग dirty palace पे भी रह जाते हैं, so that the insanitary condition of the Indian village is very harmful to health. And so many peoples, so many villagers to suffer from diseases. Friends, there is great need of hospital in village. If there is hospital in village, the hundreds villagers may be saved, so that our government should be establishment every village in hospital. And friends, the hospital of the village should be well equipped, and there must be competent doctors and some compounders and nurses and peons is also needed in village hospital. And some patients need a special care, so that they should have a proper bed for such patient. And many villagers are so poor they cannot buy also medicine, so there should be arrangements supply free medicine for the poor man. And the doctors in the village hospital is very kind and sympathy, and they also not treatments and also teach of the villagers about hygiene and sanitization. And friends, in this way they can prevent of diseases and render great service to the villagers, so that we should have very help the governments because of establishment of hospital in every village. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.